Yeah. Ooh, see where I took it, they asking me who would've thought. I did. Keeping it humble in person, like oh my god, I can't believe it. Okay, I'm lying. Straight to the fact, when the beat hitting bright, I just say how I'm feeling. No, I can't hide it. Feel like I'll take on a giant Goliath. I'm slinging a shot to the eyelid. Boom, I ain't never missing. I put in the work, every verse gets written. I am no menace, but they heard my penance. Every word like a perk, cause I serve that sentence. Wait, every time I hit a beat, I got like infinite flows. Different approach, slow, fast, yeah, I'm ripping in both. Get for the gap, go back, now I'm taking the blow. Giving a gift when I rap like a ribbon and bow. And I'm tying up these loose ends. I wanna know where the roof ends. If sky's the limit, what's true then? Why does the moon have shoe prints? Switch up the beat, I don't know what my style is. They wanted something that sounded like Violet. I said okay, then go listen to Violet. Crying about it, then cueing the violence. Yeah, shout out to Benz, we kept it spinning. They feeling dizzy, I keep on winning, feel like I'm Drizzy. Shout out to Toronto, that's word to the city. I've been switching lanes like I'm Tory. They know that I'm Liddy, I say that I'm sorry, but no, I don't pity the lanes of my story that's going against me. I pave a new way, if I want it, I get it, I'm Diddy. Whoa, yeah, back-to-back flows, back-to-back hits. Had some bad friends, had to ask those. I don't make friends, I just meet and stack the cash so high, I caved in. Now my tax guy wants a meeting. Had to show me what I owe these government guys. Almost fainted, not complaining. Just a joke, please, don't go saying that I switched up, how I'm changing. I'm just proud now, feels amazing. Look, yeah, everything I said I wanted, I got. Told him I got the moment I'm making 6 figures a month. I was streaming, I'll stop. I lied, I still didn't stop. Yeah, copycats on the timeline. Inspired, I say lies, word for word, it's a fine line. Had to go and check the guidelines. Really had me feeling like why try till I realized when it comes to fate, I decide mine.